Hi guys, welcome back to Godis Vegan Garden. Yes, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make meatless tacos. Yes, meatless tacos, because you know what? Everyone loves tacos. I won't say everybody because this is probably not everyone thing, but a lot of people do like tacos. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make them meatless. Yes, from scratch. Adam. Walnuts. Yes, walnut. So we'll be making some meatless walnuts. Out of walnuts. Yeah, out of like soaked walnuts, or you can actually boil them. Yes. So stay tuned. So in this like measuring cup is 2.5 cups of walnuts. No, they are not soaked, but however, I am going to be putting them in the pot until they get like a little tender, not like mushy, but a little tender. And I will most definitely tell y'all, like probably like from 15 to 20 minutes. Say 15 to 20 minutes. In this pot, I'm going to add water to these 4 cups of walnuts that's in this pot, and then let it boil. I will tell you guys how long it's going to be boiling for, because I don't know approximately how long for it to boil, but it's everything is all to your liking. But I just want it to be a little tender, not mushy or anything like that, because we are going to be putting it inside of a food processor. So on to putting this onto the stove, y'all. So yes, I got the walnuts on the stove, and I have it set for medium to high heat, and I'm going to let it boil for about like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. No, I did not rinse off the walnuts, totally forgot. But most definitely you can rinse yours off and add water to it, put it on the stove, whatnot. No, I don't have any seasonings in here right now because we're going to season everything up. Just stay tuned for everything else. So in this bowl is a little bit of jalapeno, because I always like a spicy kick to my food. Just a little bit. And also red pepper, onions. I think I cut up like 3 garlic, but what I am going to do, I'm just going to add it to a food processor or my Ninja, and you know, just put it on pause because I don't feel like chopping. And I'll show you this is the result of pausing the vegetables that I just showed you guys. And now I'm about to add them into like a skillet and some oil to saute. I'm gonna pause mine a little bit more, just a little bit more. But you could leave it like that. You could. You know, everything is all to your liking. That's the thing about cooking. Everything is all to your liking. There's no right or wrong. The results of it. So now I'm about to add it to this right here. I'm gonna add it to here, like all the vegetables that I just showed you. And I did add oil to it. I had a little bit more oil. I did add more oil than I expected to add, but whatever, because of it's going to be cooking with the walnut meat. So let's get to it. Walnut just a little bit more oil to it, because I want to let everything marinate inside of this walnut meatless crumbles. So I'm gonna add like onion powder, you know, season everything up. Garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, I do not do any measurements, because like I always state to you guys, everything is seasoned to taste, because of what I may like in mine, somebody may not like in theirs, you know. So season to your liking. And then I'm going to add some coriander. Grounded coriander. Grounded coriander. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but y'all know what I'm talking about. A little bit of black pepper. Sprinkle it. Just a little bit of taco seasoning. This is Thrive Market taco seasoning, and this is not sponsored. So, yeah, just a little bit. There you go. So, I'm about to mix it all in. You know, mix all the seasonings in, and then I'm going to cover it with a top for about like 7 to 10 minutes. Y'all forgot to add some salt. So let me just sprinkle some salt in there. Sprinkle. Trickle. There you go. I did add like a little bit of water in there just for it to, you know, simmer in there, you know, all the flavors. And I may add a little bit more of the seasonings that I use. So yeah, on there, and I may add a little bit more seasonings if I don't like it. You know, like I say, season to your liking. And I'm about to just turn it up a little bit, like up to like medium low, and then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Let all that goodness simmer in there. Let it cook in there, you know, let the flavors cook in there, you know. There you go. It's all done, and I did let it simmer for about like 10 minutes. And just don't be like me, y'all, because I actually didn't even stir it for that long, and it starts sticking at the bottom of the pan. So don't be like me. Make sure you go and check on it. There goes how it looks. And I'm about to build my taco up, and I'm gonna do a taste test. And I did add a little bit more seasoning to everything, a little teaspoon of everything. It's fun. So there you guys have it. I did build my nachos, and I used these Trader Joe's taco shells, the hard shells. However, I do have soft shell corn type taco shells, but I wanted the hard shells today. So there you go, you have it. I have some cilantro, some avocado in here, some tomatoes, onions, green onions, which they call scallions, and also the white onions. And I also have some organic salsa on top of it, and a little bit of lime squeezed on there. So there you go. I built the taco, and bang, they look awesome. They look good. I'll give you guys a taste. The taste test, so I'm about to, you know, spurt my lamb on there. My top is saying he wants some. This is good though. It's the same time you making it. This is fire. This is good. You try yours. So I'm about to eat this.